Hey guys, hello and welcome to Zen Innovations, and as you might have heard, Zen family is now above 1000 subscribers. So I would like to take this chance to thank you guys for taking this Zen family up to this milestone. And as we know guys, YouTube rewards us after completing 1000 subscribers by gifting us a live stream option. So in this video we are going to take a look how you can enable the official live stream option in your YouTube studio. And over here, as we can see here, that we are in the regular YouTube studio. This is the video tabs, and here in the lower corner we can see that there is a button which says settings. Now we will click this button and we will go to the channel tab, and in this channel tab we will hit feature eligibility. Now as you can see here that it shows that features are enabled, but guess what guys, there are still some hidden features which we have to enable today. And over here we are in this new page, and as we can see here that it shows live streaming eligible. Now what we have to do is simply click on enable button, and after clicking on this enable button, it takes us to this completely new window, this completely new tab. And over here we can see that congratulations, you have been enabled for live streaming. And this is how you enable the official live streaming on your YouTube account. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because in future videos we will talk about how you can use all of these options to customize your live stream and how to interact with your audience. Basically, I'm going to teach you how to make a good live stream. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Before we end this video guys, let me tell you that I already have a pretty big playlist exactly for content creators like you. You will find the link to it in the description below, or you can check it above here in the I button. And by that time guys, take care and have a nice day, and we will see you again in another exciting video on Zen Innovations. Take care guys.